What if the only thing na pumipigil sa'yo ngayon is your own thoughts? What if the real reason kung bakit hindi ka pa umaandar o bakit parang walang nangyayari sa buhay mo is because you're thinking too much? Ilang opportunities pa ang masasayang dahil sa kaka-overthink mo. You know what? Instead of thinking more, just do it. Nowadays, napakadaming opportunities sa paligid natin and I'm sure na hindi ka kulang sa ideas. Kulang ka lang sa action, I guess. So, I made a list of what you can do to stop the habit of overthinking. The first one is focus on the now. Personally, guilty ako dito. Iniisip ko minsan, mag-work ba yung mga pinaghihirapan kong i-establish ngayon para sa future? Is it gonna work? Tapos, minsan, sinasabi natin sa sarili natin na dapat ganito na ako hanggang sa mas nakaka-pressure na. Kaya naman, hinga ka muna and take a look at what you have today. Bring your attention back to now. Magpakita ka today. Show up. Kahit wala ka sa mood, kahit hindi perfect, with 2% energy or 100% full bat ka. When you focus on today, things start to feel clearer and less heavy. Hindi ibig sabihin na wala na tayong paki sa future. It simply means na naiintindihan mo that your future is built from the small decisions and quiet efforts na ginagawa mo ngayon. And malay mo, one day, you'll realize na yung magandang buhay na meron ka ay nabuo dahil sa mga panahong hindi ka sumuko. Sunod ay ang reality check. Hindi lahat ng iniisip mo ay totoo. When you have doubts, hindi ibig sabihin hindi mo kaya. I notice na pag nag-overthink ako, mas lalong hindi ko nagagawa yung mga tasks ko for the day. Mas nagiging komplikado lahat. Like for example, paggagawa ng lessons or activities for the kids, ma-enjoy ba nila to? Mahirap ata masyado. Baka kailangan ko pang i-simplify. Dapat ba mas interactive? Clear ba yung lessons? But in reality, maayos yung activities, nakikinig yung mga bata, at nai-enjoy naman nila. Yan ang ginagawa ng overthinking. It quietly drains you, leaving you exhausted, yet still in the same place. So, just do what you can. Tapos, adjust mo na lang along the way. The next one is, small actions go a long way. Have you ever noticed na kapag inuumpisahan mong gawin ang isang bagay, ay mas nagiging malinaw yung susunod na steps? You know why? Because once you act, even in the smallest way, you stop the loop of overthinking. From overthinking to taking action. Ako, pag nagsusulat ako ng script, halimbawa, hindi ko alam kung paano ko siya uumpisahan. Pero once na may naisip na akong title, everything follows. Mas madali na ituloy. Break the cycle of overthinking by doing one small step immediately. At syempre, recognize what you can and can't control. Hindi naman lahat kailangan pag-isipan. Minsan, kailangan lang tanggapin. Sa kakaisip mo, lalo ka lang nalulunod. Kung wala ka namang control, wag mo na lang isipin. I'll give you an example. Ako kasi matagal ako mag-reply, so nag-overthink minsan na, baka isipin niya wala akong pake, baka na-offend sila, snob ba yung dating ko. Kayo din ba ganyan? If this happens, ang magagawa mo is reply sincerely when you have the energy or time. So, hindi ka masamang tao dahil lang hindi ka naka-reply agad. Minsan, busy ka lang, hindi ka available, o nagpapahinga, o wala ka lang talagang energy. Now, what you can't control is yung interpretation nila. And that's okay. Let it go. Hindi ka mapapanatag sa kakaisip ng lahat. Stop overthinking everything. Pagtuunan mo na lang ng pansin yung mga bagay na kontrolado mo, like your thoughts, your response, your habits, and your next move. Of course, calm your body. Sa totoo lang, minsan, hindi ka confused. Pagod ka lang. Kailangan mo lang ng pahinga. Calm your body first. Pag pagod ang utak mo, mas nagiging magulo ang isip, mas lumalala ang overthinking. Let's say, umuwi ka ng bahay, galing sa trabaho o school, you're drained. May isip mo, bakit parang ang bigat ng lahat? Paano kung mawalan ng saysay yung mga pagod ko? Late na ba ako sa life? Pagod ka lang, be. Allow yourself to take a good rest. Pagising mo kinabukasan, hindi na siya ganun kabigat. Lastly, reduce triggers. Bawasan natin. Ilayo mo ang sarili mo sa ingay online o sa paligid mo. You wanna know why? Kasi pwedeng ang ugat ng pag-overthink mo ay hindi naman talaga sa'yo nag-start, kundi sa mga nakikita mo at napapanood mo araw-araw. Kunwari, nakita mong may influencer na kumikita ng milyon per month sa edad na 20. Maaari kang matrigger at mag-isip na, bakit parang ang layo ko? May mali ba sa mga ginagawa ko? Bakit parang ang dali sa kanila pero ako hirap na? But in reality, hindi ka na pag-iiwanan. May kanya-kanya lang talaga tayong timeline. You can't stop your thoughts. Pero pwede mo siyang i-redirect. Bigyan ng direksyon, kumbaga. So, I came up with this acronym. PDA. Plan, decide, act. When you plan, keep it small, keep it clear. Bigyan mo sarili mo ng options na gagawin. When you decide naman, choose one option, then act. Kahit baby steps lang. Action breaks overthinking. So before I end this video, here's what Habib Akande has to say. The more you overthink, the less you understand. So to more PDA, appear. That's it for today's video. Take what fits and leave the rest. Kung nagustuhan mo, please hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next one, and please leave a comment down below if you want. Don't overthink it. Bye!